Understanding Being Subservient, a guide to English language learning. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language, being subservient. This term might sound a bit formal, but it's used in various contexts, from literature to daily conversations. Our goal is to help you understand what it means, how to use it, and its nuances. Let's get started and unravel the layers of being subservient together. Being subservient refers to a willingness to obey others unquestioningly or to be excessively willing to serve or please others. It's derived from the Latin word subservire, which means to serve under. This phrase carries a sense of someone putting themselves in a lower or less important position than someone else, often out of obligation or because they want to avoid conflict. Key points. Obedience. Being subservient involves following orders or requests without protest. Lower status. It implies placing oneself in a position of lower importance or authority. Pleasing others. A subservient person often goes out of their way to please or serve others, sometimes at their own expense. To better understand how being subservient is used, let's look at a few examples. 1. In the workplace, an employee who never questions their boss's decisions and always agrees, even if they have a different opinion, can be considered subservient. 2. In relationships, a partner who always puts their needs last and prioritizes their partner's desires over their own is being subservient. 3. In literature, characters who follow every command of their leaders or superiors without any hesitation are often portrayed as subservient. These examples show how being subservient can manifest in different aspects of life, highlighting the importance of balance and self-respect in various relationships. While being subservient might seem like a way to avoid conflict or to maintain harmony, it's important to understand its implications. Loss of independence. Constantly putting others' needs and desires above your own can lead to a loss of personal independence and self-worth. Potential for exploitation. Being overly willing to please can make one vulnerable to exploitation or manipulation by others. Relationship dynamics. In relationships, whether personal or professional, a subservient attitude can lead to an imbalance of power, affecting the health and equality of the relationship. Understanding these implications helps in maintaining healthy boundaries and ensuring mutual respect in any interaction. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and nuances of being subservient. Remember, while it's important to be cooperative and considerate, maintaining your self-respect and ensuring equality in relationships is equally vital. We encourage you to use this knowledge to enhance your English language skills and your understanding of complex interpersonal dynamics. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!